how to use the professional thermal brush. Hey guys, it's Christina from Soleil, introducing the new 2-in-1 professional thermal brush by Soleil Hair Tools. This one is suitable for all hair lengths, even short hair. It's lightweight and it gives the perfect blowout look. When using the styling tool for straightening, make sure that you section the hair and make sure that it's been properly detangled. When you want to use it for straightening, make sure that you press the hair inside and slowly glide all the way down. And when you want to get the perfect blowout look, you can start to roll the styling tool under, and what's nice, it's not going to get tangled like a regular round brush would. Once you're finished, you get the perfect curl. If you want the beach wave look, take a section of hair, make sure that you press the hair all the way inside, start to slowly roll, and what's nice, for extra control, you can hold on to the cool tip, glide all the way through, and if you want a more fuller, tighter curl, you can roll it twice, and slowly glide all the way down to the ends. Keep rolling, and you have yourself the perfect curl. When using the tool on shorter hair, make sure to start at the root, press the hair inside, and go upward for extra volume. After you have finished styling all the hair with the professional thermal brush, use your favorite Trio Miracle Oil, give it just one spray, and you get yourself the perfect smooth finish. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks!